25 Sweetpeas presents. In a land far, far away, on the day of May 4th, a girl decided to create a mani to honor the Force. May the 4th, I mean, with a BB-8 manicure done all by hand. To see how you can create it, keep watching, and may the 4th be with you.
So to start off this manicure, you're going to want to find a good neutral color. I've kind of gone with a sandy-ish color that was from the new Zoya collection, which I will have linked or listed in the description box below. It took 2 coats, so you're just going to want to do that after you've put on your base coat of choice. And this is where you're going to start the art. So I'm using a white acrylic paint to give me the most flexibility and so I don't have to refill my brush so much. And I'm kind of just sketching on the BB-8 shape. So you want a bigger circle at the bottom, and then you kind of want a semicircle at the top, which is going to be like the top of the droid. I guess it's a droid. I should probably consult some aficionados first, but you know, he did the intro. So we were going to fill that in with white acrylic paint, and once that is done, you're going to want to let that dry for a bit. As you can see, it did kind of like crinkle on the edges, but that's okay because we're going to be adding more on the edges. So now I'm going in with some orange acrylic paint and putting some semicircles. I'm trying to leave gaps like in between the 2 white blobs. I don't know how else to explain it. A gap between the 2 white blobs because we're going to be outlining this all in black. So after I have that done, I'm kind of just going to go and fill it in where I think I need some orange. And now I'm going in with the black acrylic paint, and I'm using the same brush. It is just a really thin nail art brush. I don't remember where it is from. I've had it for a really long time. And I am just doing that. It does not have to be perfect because, I mean, it is the outline. You can always touch up if you get too far in the white because we have used acrylic paint, which makes it super easy to clean up. So as I do that, I'm just going to go on and do the top, and you can kind of see how the top's got more of a flat edge, which is supposed to help create the shape of his head. And now is the part where I just go into the detailing. So I looked at a few different pictures of BB-8 and kind of just tried to wing it and add in the little details. They're not exact. You can either look at this video and see how I did it, or you can look at an actual picture of BB-8 and try to just kind of replicate the black lines and markings and whatever you would officially call those things. I'm sure a lot of you probably actually know what they're all called. But it's similar to what I did with R2-D2 a few years ago, but this is on a much smaller scale and actually in a weird way kind of easier. So I'm just going to go on in my detailing, and then I'm going to apply with a top coat. This time I did go with a shiny top coat, but we will cross that bridge when we get there. So let's watch this come together. And now it is time to apply a top coat. I did go with the shiny top coat, but you could easily do it with matte. You might want to go over with a shiny top coat before you go matte, just so you don't smear your design, so use one that you know won't smear. And here is your final look at this manicure. This was super fun to do, even though it was a little tricky. I'm really happy that I filmed it so I could show you guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching. Be sure to give it a like if you liked it, and be sure to subscribe if you guys want to see more videos like this and just more videos in general so you can stay up to date. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!